Hello, this is our one-person studio here, and welcome to my coding game series where I solve problem-solving challenges on easy difficulty. Today, the puzzle that I'm going to solve is basically every letter of the alphabet. In this video, there's going to be two parts. The first part is me reading the puzzle so I can understand what to do, and the second part of the video is me solving the puzzle. So let's find out what I need to do. This problem find out the consecutive string from A to Z in alphabetical order in a multi-line string m of n lines of length n. You can move up, right, left or down. First you find the A. If there's a B, either up, down, left or right from the position of A, you can move there. If there's a C, either up, down, left or right from the position of B, you can move there, continues below to Z. Rewrites all non-consecutive strings of letters A through Z to the dash line. In other words, this problem only displays a consecutive string from A to Z in a multi-line string m of n lines of length n. So this is an example, and this leads to this. As above, only the string alphabetically from A to Z should be displayed, and the other parts should be the dash symbol. I'm not going to use Python, I'm going to use PHP. And the first line that coding game has auto-generated is basically the integer n for the size of the string figure. For the full loop is basically the multi-line string of m, and for the output is basically it only outputs strings alphabetically from A to Z. The constraint is 10 less than or equal to n, which is less than or equal to 30. M consists only of lowercase alphabetical characters. There may be more than one A. There's only 6 test cases for me to solve, so it shouldn't be that difficult for me to solve the puzzle. So now the second part of this video begins.